Okay, up at the top of my video, I have the problem 6,394 minus 2,261 equals b. So to start off this problem, I am first going to draw a type diagram so I can show evidence that I understand what this problem should look like and how to solve it. So I am going to take my whole, which is the first number in my equation, and label my big tape diagram, my big rectangle, with that number, 6,394. The next thing I need to do is split up my tape diagram or partition it so that I can find the two different parts. So I'm going to draw a line in my tape diagram and I'm going to label one of the parts 2,261. The other part we do not know. The other part is what we call the unknown, b. The unknown. We need to solve for b in this equation. So now I understand what I'm looking for. I'm looking for b, which is a part of the whole. The whole is 6,394. One of the parts we do know, which is 2,261. The next thing I'm going to do is set it up in my standard algorithm. Doing these two steps shows evidence to your work, which is what Mrs. Clausen and I are looking for when you are doing your math. So I am going to line up my first number, 6,394, in my standard algorithm graph. The first number always goes on top. My 6 is in the thousands place, so I'm going to put it in the thousands box. My 3 is in the hundreds, so it's going to go in the hundreds box. So forth, 9 is in the tens, 4 is in the ones. After that, I'm going to move down to the next row, and I'm going to enter in the part that I know. 2 is in the 2000s, there's a 2 in the hundreds, a 6 in the tens, and a 1 in the ones. Over here, I see that I am subtracting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move from right to left as I subtract. Let's check to make sure I have enough units on top to subtract the bottom. 4 is greater than 1. That's good. 9 is greater than 6. I can subtract that. 3 is greater than 2. I can definitely subtract that. And 6 is greater than 2. Yes, I am ready to subtract. Moving from right to left, 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. So here I found my answer, 4,133. So up here, I will write B equals 4,133.